Well, some Masons to show you now. Two cereal or dessert bowls, 7.5 inch, quite nice early ones. Red Vista, just to show you the first one here. Top one, gadrooned rims, absolutely typical of Mason's Red Vista. Always worth checking around the rims of Red Vista because you quite often get the damage around here because of that gadrooning. It does slightly thin the ironstone and reduce its strength, but these are in fine condition. And just look at the glaze reflection on these two as well, absolutely near mint. Nicely marked. This one has Mason's Crown Vista England guaranteed detergent proof and acid resistant colours marks, and its sister exactly the same size but with a slightly variant Mason's marks, square crown marks. Worthwhile just showing you the difference between those two if we can. There you go. See the round top of the crown on the one on the right as opposed to the square crown on the one on the left. Dates these two sort of periods in the Mason's factory production quite nicely, and there are websites where you can look up the precise sort of date range for these. They do overlap, so it's not a precise science, but these are sort of 1930s, 40s and 50s pieces, and they're both in really fine condition. So two of them, 7.5 inch. Collectors of Mason's Red Vista are going to be very keen on these, I think, because of their fine condition and the glaze not showing any signs of wear, scratching, knife marks, or the fine crazing that you so very often get with ironstone pieces from this time. But these have been stored in a nice even temperature and not used very much, so fine examples and a rare find for some Mason's collector. Pop on the link below, that will take you through to the website listing where these two cereal or dessert bowls are going on sale from the Vintage and Antiques website this afternoon. Thanks for watching.